Okay, we have a baby calf stuck.
Like quicksand, huh? Just sucks it right in.
She's not even trying to get out though. Is that her calf, or is that just a random?
I think it's hers, probably.
Is that her?
She's stuck.
Definitely. There's no way she can defend all of us.
She's stuck. And these hyenas are closing in.
Oh no, I don't want
Oh, you actually kind of helps them get out.
out.
It's a clever move.
Don't go back in there, little cow. Don't go back in there, sir.
Get out
I
of
hope
the
she
other side.
didn't get.
Yeah, mother's instincts are still very strong, motherly instincts. When the hyena starts laughing, then you know she's done.
So hyena don't usually kill on their own, don't they? Usually get.
They kill.
They do,
Yeah.
but not typically. Or is that
I told you about the buffalo I
Yeah.
saw getting stuck and they ate their life.
no?
Here comes another.
Another hyena.
Yeah, way down there.
Hyena or bull?
Hyena. Also, no, nobody's helping.
They'll kill. They tire their animal and then kill it ruthlessly. And this is now what they do. One distracts.
But he's really probably hurt him.
Yeah, definitely. He wants to crush the skull. You hear that? When they start doing that, then that's serious. More gonna come. Yeah, that's getting serious now, the hyena. Hear that?
They're gonna wear him out, chasing him around.
Cut.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty effective.
Oh, please.
Yeah, this is how nature sometimes ruthless and sometimes fair. The hyenas think it's fair, the mother thinks no, and we think no. But this is nature taking its course. If you try and do anything right here, you'll be endangering your right life. Yeah. Mm.
It's not the time to eat.
Amazing. Here comes another hyena. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there's 8 of them.
She's trying to open the stomach. Did you see that? Did you? See? The hyena trying.
And it's over for this poor
Yeah,
thing.
when you hear that song, then getting serious.
Here comes another hyena.
Hii ndio anaua. Aina mwa ile mama anashika.
Hasn't touched a hyena yet. She's getting tired.
Why she would want us?
The Cape buffalo herself may be a prey if she's not careful.
Yeah. If she gets tired.
Because her lunges are getting noticeably less aggressive. Doesn't hyenas. Another one coming.
That's when I started eating it. You see, they started going for her. You see that? You see that? They started going for her. They started going for the main female.
She's giving up on her baby. The baby's
If the
down.
calf stops going,
Yep.
he's gonna stop. Now you're seeing hyenas making a kill. A lot of people, many years they were mistaken to be scavengers, but this is what they do then when they find a chance.
The baby's dead.
No.
It's interesting that they don't kill the calf.
They usually eat it alive. Remember? And there's gonna be more hyenas.
This Cape bull.
If she's not careful, she's gonna.
Yep.
She's far away. Are they going to try to get her?
Yeah. No, now they're gonna come to this one.
And she's far enough away now that they're going to have their way. Well,
There'll be nothing left in about 20 minutes.
he did the heavy lifting, and he's getting no respect for chasing the.
Yeah, you see the female, the alpha female now gets to eat fast and allows, her pups. You haven't killed the calf.
Still crying.
Oh, God. We're just a team, sorta.
Now they're gonna fight for it. The kill.
Zero. Madi. Morgo. Zero.
They're fighting amongst themselves. Serious damage. This guy's limping.
If there was more than another 3 hyenas and she stood her ground, she would have been eaten, the female. That's how they're so efficient when they're in big, clans.
Now look at this guy's got a stock. He
This guy's quite gory if you look at the binoculars. They've eaten the nose, the lower lip, the ears. You must kill it, man.
of them here.